What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. We're down at the creek today, like always, and today we're just trying to catch pretty much, anything that we can. I do know there's a potential to find some good fish in this creek. Oh, something picked it up. Got him. It's a little smallie. There we go. First fish of the day. There we go. There we go. Oh, and he's got a little crawfish or some sort in his mouth. But not bad. First little fish, a little smallie. Hopefully we can get some bigger ones than that. And this creek is super clear. Super clear. See if anything's in there. Hopefully there is. Oh, we might have something here. Oh, what? Got one. Oh my goodness. My drag slipped or something. I don't know what it was, but we got a smallie. I don't know what that was. He's not bad either. He's a good little smallie. Oh, there's another smallie behind him. He's a little smaller. Man, he's got some fight in him. There we go. He is juiced up. That's not a bad smallie. Look at this. That's not bad. That's a strong smallmouth. But he has some muscle on him. Some good muscle on him. Alright, let's let the smallmouth go. It gave me a little splash. After releasing that guy, I saw two more. They were a lot smaller. But I feel like this is a good hole. I'm going to hit it for a little while. I'm going to try to get against that rock. That's not against it, but okay. I feel like something pick it up though. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Got one. Look at that. There we go. That's our third smallie. It's not too bad. Oh, man, they're fired up. There's two more behind them. Wow. And they are strong in this creek. Very strong. There we go. Ooh. There we go. Another little smallie. Not too bad. That's I believe 3 out of this hole. Oh, there's a largemouth. Oh, something hit it. There we go. There we go. Oh, I think that's a largie. Yeah. Nice little largie. We got a little largemouth. Nice little largemouth. Put him back. But for fall creek fishing, if you're going for bass, really any kind of Ned rig or something will get it. I think I just saw something come get it. Might be wrong. So I'm trying to hit. Come on, pick it up. Pick it up. There we go. I got him. There we go. Oh, it's another largemouth. Look at that. There we go. It's another largemouth. That's our second one. But what I'm getting at is you can use like a stick bait or really anything that you can put on a Ned rig, hellgrammite, crawfish, as long as it's like a natural presentation, especially in really clear creeks like this one. I would definitely try to use that as much as possible for early fall fishing. Ooh, that's a good spot right there. We gotta get hit in this spot. Oh, I have some. There we go. I didn't even know I had some. He picked it up like a little ninja. It's another largemouth. Another little largie. Not too bad. Alright guys, well, we're gonna head down the creek a little bit. Try to find us another hole. What is that? Is that a dang? Oh, let me tell you something. They messed up losing this lure. They should have grabbed this. It was in an easy spot. I don't know how they got hung up there. This thing catches big fish right here. Let me tell you. Wow. Might have to bring a kayak down here. Yeah, that's definitely saying kayak all over that. So I guess we'll stop here and start heading our way up with the other lure. Oh, something's trying to hit it. Got him. Oh, he's not bad. Oh, he's not bad. Look at this. He's not bad. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, no, he's got me in the branch. He's got me in the branch. He's not a bad one. That or he's just really strong. That's a good bass. It's a largemouth too. There's another one behind him. Oh, look at that. Look at the shoulders on him. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, look at this bass. That is an amazing creek bass. I think my camera was tilted. Look at that. Look at that largemouth. He is shouldered up. Wow. Let's get a scale on him. All right, zeroed out. Pick him up. He is 2.6. So he is 2.6. What a bass. What a largemouth. I've got our 2-pounder here in the water. Let's go ahead and take another look at him. Look at that. Pretty good bass. Really nice. Oh! Oh, he got away from me. He got away from me. I would have liked a release on him better, but man, he got away from me. But that was good. We got him. At least we caught him. That's the first time I've had a 2-pounder or a fish that I show off in the water take off on me like that. I'm gonna try one more cast, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch to our second lure that we're gonna try. Oh man, we haven't hit the bottom yet. Oh, it's a fish already picked it up. Oh yeah, something's picked it up. Got him. Got him. It doesn't feel big. Huh? Yeah, he's not big. He's a good smallie though. Ooh, look at that jump. Oh, there's a bigger one. There's 2 big ones right in front of me. There's 2 big ones right in front of me. Oh my goodness. I don't know if y'all saw that. Look at all the smallies come out. That is insane. Look at all of them. All right, they're done. That means you're done too. There's so many smallies right there. So look at that. That's another good smallie. We're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. All right, so this is the lure we're using. It's a teeny wee crawl, I believe, from Rebel. And I want to try this out, especially with how those smallmouths were reacting. Oh, I got slammed. It's not a big fish, but I got slammed by something. What is this? A little bluegill? Oh, it is not a little bluegill. Look at that. We got a little bluegill. There he goes. Oh! Do I have it anymore? No. Oh man. Look at that largemouth. He's huge. I don't know if y'all can see him or not, but he's in these big rocks over here. Alright, so we're up here close to where we started earlier. I threw back on the Helgermite, wasn't really getting any bites. It's like the fish kind of shut off for right now. But I want to at least catch one more bass. 1 or 2 more bass before I call it quits for today. It's been a pretty good day so far, actually. Pretty good day. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ooh, rock bass. Oh yeah. I like a good rock bass. It's not too bad. I ain't caught a rock bass in a minute. Try it again. Alright. I'm gonna try to get in that corner back there. Let it sink a little bit. Might go downstream just here too. But that's all good. That's kind of what we want. Oops, someone's trying to pick it up right now. Got him. I think that's another smallie. Oh, no. Rock bass. Another rock bass. Rock bass are like, hey, it's my turn to get some food. Fortunately, it wasn't real food. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much going to do it for today. We caught a lot of good bass. Caught one really nice bass, a largemouth at that. And today's objective was just to fish in the fall. And I definitely would say any kind of Ned rig, try to keep it a natural presentation, and it should be all right. Work it pretty slow. But all right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.